Okay, now here's a stupid little failure. And yes, I use the word stupid because it made me feel stupid. Most simplest thing. Brand new 8-pin microphone connector. Been soldered on quite a bit. Played around with it. Because everything worked fine. Had it wired to Kenwood configuration. But as soon as you hooked it up and tested it, it would work fine as long as you didn't screw it on. As soon as this touched the chassis, the audio would short out. So of course I'm thinking the wires or something. I did something that was making them not be insulated and was shorting the audio out. Well, after playing with it a couple, 3 times, as they say, I found out that what's going on is when you wire this for your standard 8-pin Kenwood, this pin, the pin real close to where the screw goes in this hole, when you screw it together in the final assembly, it's shorting out through that hole to that blasted pin, which happens to be your audio. Isn't that nice? Defective inside, it's too close to that screw hole. Got another one out of the batch and it's fine. It's just this one is a freak. Everything works until you put the final screw into it in the housing and it shorts through the blasted screw. Yes, I took a meter and proved that to myself. So it wasn't me, it wasn't how I was wired or having lack of insulation. The little plastic sleeve that's supposed to be in there. I can get it to come out, but there's, yeah, there it is. That was in there. It was that blasted screw shorting. Now how's that little irritation for you?